1. M&As are all about execution. That's why we invented the M&A Corporate Framework Agreement. Here is how it works. 2. Send us your M&A engagement letter. We revert within 48 hours with a best practice comparison on indemnification limits, liability needs, termination rights, and a lot more. We do all the work for you. 3. Together we construct your own company-specific M&A engagement letter and negotiate this with your banks. It's easier than you think. 4. In the future, you hire the bank online with your M&A CFA. No more beauty contests or long meetings. 5. Once signed, there are no more confidentiality agreements, terms, or conditions, even price to negotiate ever again. You can focus 100% on your M&A deals. 6. You now have less administration and more time on deal making. A much more efficient M&A sourcing system. A dramatically reduced M&A execution risk. Reduced M&A costs, easily more than $1 million per year for big companies.